Alright, after trimming it, now it sits in, and therefore let me bring my frame ready. I need the LG frame, not the Samsung frame. It is here. Let me push it. So I'll begin with the back first. Unfortunately, I cannot show you that. I'll just show you the finished thing. Alright, so I've dressed it up. That's how it is looking like. And this is how it's looking at the back. So I have a Samsung panel and an LG backlighting circuit. Okay, so now I have to find a way of incorporating this there. The other side I'll have to glue so this doesn't flip open those corners. So let me get started. Alright, so I have wired this up to pick the backlighting signals from here to that board to that lighting. And then I'm going to plug in and we'll power on and see what happens. Let me actually put this under this plate to prevent shorting because I'm not so certain about that metal plate. Alright, right there. Now let me bring my charger and plug in and power on the machine. So plug it in, power on the machine. Yes, power on the machine. Okay, our backlight turns on. Then I'm going to flip the screen so that we see what's on the other side. Right there, we get our display. Perfect. Now we just need to finalize our solution and make it neat. So that's how to transparent backlights on a screen of a laptop, at least LED backlit screen. See you.